Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna open up this vending machine, guys. Guys, though I read this last time, okay? Now let's open it up. Oh, we just got the vending machine, guys. Cool. Oh gosh, this hurts really bad. Oh, cool. Look, where are you? What? I'm not doing this. Okay. Okay. So, yep. We don't need a card. Card will stay away. Look, the card. Okay. I need to get this thing out. Oh god. It's so hard, guys. It's so hard to get this whole thing out. Oh, got it. Got a ball. How many those two things you got? Oh, I got everything, you guys. Okay, I just pushed that away. And we got the coin. Let's read it. Keep. Cool, guys. Is it so cool? Just swirl it around. It's not real coins. It's just not a real coin, guys. It's not a real coin. So, yep. Let's put one coin. We gotta spin it around like this. Just only 2 times like this. Okay? And you guys hear the noise, it will pop down, okay? Oh, got one, yay! I got the grapes one, yay! This is, what is this? A kiwi and a grapes. Okay, put some more. Okay. Guys, what happened? Okay, I got twin grapes. This will add a coin. It's so much fun, guys. It's so much fun. Okay, so let's put the coin in. I put it. I got other kiwi. Now I have all twins. 2 grapes and 2 kiwis. Okay. So, yeah, what the fuck? Okay, put more. I hope we don't get the grapes because I don't like grapes. I got pineapple. That's my favorite fruit the whole time I like to eat. Okay, now let's put my coins. I have only 2 coins, guys. Which one I will get, guys, just comment down below, okay? Other kiwi, guys. What the fuck? Okay, I have just only 1 more coin, okay? 1 more coin. Okay, put it in. Oh god, this thing is so other grape. That's all of the coins. And so, some more coins at the back. At the front of the coin. Pull it. This is more coins. Okay, no more coins. Let's do this. Wait, what the fuck? Okay, so guys, it's so nice to play with you guys. Yep, so nice. Okay, now I need to fill this thing up again. Not the coins again. Okay guys, just only 1 more time of this game, okay? And so I'll say goodbye. Okay guys, let's play. What? 1, 2, 3. Now open it. I got a pineapple! Yay! I like pineapples, that's my favorite. Oh god. So hard. This this is just a kiwi. It's not an other pineapple. Oh, okay. Maybe it's kind of pretty. Itchy and scratchy. Oh, that's a loud noise, guys. Melon, that's my favorite fruit too. My coin. A grape! Yes, I'm getting twins now. Okay, now I have 2 more coins, guys. 1 and a 2. Okay. Number 2 will go. I got a twin again. Look, 2 pineapples. These guys don't. Okay. So, 1 more coin to win, guys. Okay. My vending machine is so cute, guys, actually. Cool. Kiwi. Okay, that's all I can play. So, bye, guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys join my show. And hope you guys have much fun with this vending machine. Bye.